Somebody was letting go and I can't have my way.
This is all you need to know at this point. Man has midlife crisis, abandons family, goes to seek the wilderness. But 15 minutes in, he loses most of his camera gear, like all of it. 2 days later, refused entrance, must 25-kilometer portage, and then 4 days later, loses his life jacket and his in-reach device and must hitchhike to Calgary and back. After that, trapped for weeks on end with high winds. Now he must find the Qu'Appelle River to begin his next adventure. So this is how much I have completed since leaving Banff, and I'm in Lumsden, Saskatchewan now. You can see how much I have left here. So it seems strange to be leaving Lake Diefenbaker. It was a long, challenging paddle, especially because of the winds. And our story picks up from here, with me portaging around and finding the Qu'Appelle River, and then carrying on to Lumsden, Saskatchewan. So my first camp was very pleasant, and it was nice to be off the lake. I was really enjoying myself. All the camps were pretty good along the section of the Qu'Appelle. They're pleasant, brilliant sunrises, watching the steam off the river. But what I hadn't anticipated was, Saskatchewan and the plains and the land itself just swallows you. You become just this really small, insignificant object. You can just look out onto where it used to be covered with buffalo for as far as the eye could see. And then there was the river, which braids through the prairies. So I'd gotten to a good place. I was feeling really good, made some time. I thought, yeah. Well, after that unexpected ordeal, I finally made it to Lumsden, Saskatchewan. And I used to go to school here as a kid, and I had relatives in the neighborhood, so I could camp here for a couple of days and get some rest. Lumsden's about as small rural Saskatchewan as you can get. It's like the Mayberry of Canada. Shout out to Lumsden Pizza. It's awesome. And then I ate at the bar, the usual burgers and fries. And you can tell when you're in Saskatchewan, I mean, there's words of wisdom everywhere. Feeling a little haggard. And just enjoying taking a couple of days off. Had a few boat repairs to do. Nothing major, just some scratches and a few wounds from shallow rapids and stuff, but nothing that was debilitating. So I had a good place to take a break and do some repair work. And I even got to visit my Uncle Sam, who I hadn't seen since I was a boy. He was like one of my favorite uncles. So until next week.